Hi, this is Richard Quack here, coming to you live from Malaysia. I would like to welcome you to my weekly live video. And in today's session, I would like to talk about personal development. And the topic is energy flows where attention goes. Now, this is a very interesting topic about manifestation. And so it is very important that you listen to this particular session. Okay. Now, everything is energy. Everything in the universe comprised of energy. Okay. This energy vibrating at different rate of vibration. Okay. So energy vibrating at different rate of vibration. And this energy are atoms and subatomic particles. Okay. Atom and subatomic particles which are very, very tiny, which you cannot see with your naked eye. Okay. Now, the important thing about energy is that energy just is. It cannot be created or destroyed. So energy is just there, all right? Just as it is, it cannot be destroyed or created. Now, let me give you a simple example here. If I have in my hand here a $20 note, all right? Now, this is energy because everything is energy, right? Now, when I take this $20 note and when I burn it, what happens? Well, when I burn it, it's gone, isn't it? It is gone. To most people, it's gone. But is it really gone? Remember, energy cannot be destroyed. So the energy of the note, $20 note, is still there. The only thing you cannot see with your naked eye, it is still there. All right, it did not disappear. Only thing you don't see with the physical eye. That's all. What it means here is that it has once you burn the note, all right, it is already converted into another rate of vibration which you are not able to see, but the money is still there. All right. So basically, although you cannot see it, it is still there because it is energy. Everything is energy. That is includes the $20 note. All right. So I hope that you appreciate this fact. Okay. Now, have you heard about the science of getting rich? It's not think and grow rich. The science of getting rich, which is older, it was written by Wallace Wattle in the year 1910, long time ago, in the year 1910, all right? The Science of Getting Rich. In the book, it states that there is an original substance, all right? Everything on earth is made from one original substance, out of which all things proceed or are created. It is the raw materials of all things. Now, remember, this was 1910, all right, whereby people only know there is an invisible substance, original substance. But today we know that there is energy. All right. Today we know it's energy. But previously, in 1910, they just call it original substance, which is created, which creates everything. Okay. Okay. Now it's important to realize this. Where do we focus our energy every day? This is important because where you focus your energy, all right, this is where you give attention to, and that is where you focus your energy on. So where do you focus your energy every day? Let's have a look. When you wake up in the morning, what do you focus on? You focus on all the routine activities. All the routine activities. All right, we focus our energy there. All the routine activities, like what? You wake up, you go to the bathroom, all right, you take a shower. Before that, maybe you brush your teeth, then you take your shower. Then after that, you go downstairs. All right, you make a cup of coffee and so on. So on and on and on. This is what we focus on most of the time. All right. So when you wake up, all our routine activities. Okay, we focus our energy there because what you focus on, there is where you place your energy. So when you put all your energy on all these activities that are routine, there is no energy left for other activities. Okay, activities like for healing, for creations, and so on. All right. I mean, put it this way, we have energy, no doubt, all right, but all of it is focused on all these things. Now, most of the time, we focus on the past over and over again. Most of us, in fact, fall in love with the past. That's why when you focus on the past, which is already determined. All right, the past, is already a known fact, predetermined. So when you focus on the past, what happened? You put your energy on the past and it will repeat itself. All right, it will keep on repeating itself. That's why it's so important. Don't focus on the past. Most people will focus on the past. Okay, now example of what we focus on. All right, we focus on our work, including our the other workers at work. We focus on our business. We focus on our family. We focus on our pets. We focus on our toys, the car, the phone, the watches, the computer, and so on. Isn't it true? That's what we focus on every day. And another focus is you might even focus on your enemy, people that you hate. All right. So basically, what you focus on is where you place your energy. So this is where we focus our energy. We do not have enough energy for creation and healing when you focus on that. So remember, what you pay attention to, what you focus on, that is where you place your energy. All right. So most of the time, remember, what you focus on, that is where you place your energy. So if you want to be successful, you cannot be focusing on the past. That's why we focus on the past or the known. All right. Then it keeps on repeating itself in our life. Okay. Now, if you focus on the known, the past is known, all right? It will repeat itself. So your life keep on repeating. That's what you are having in your life. Okay. What you want to do is focus on the unknown. All right. When you focus on the known, then it will repeat itself. But what you want to do if you want to be successful, focus on the unknown. Now, a lot of people are fearful of the unknown, but you have to focus on the unknown. A good example is, okay, if you have a dream to become a millionaire, that is unknown. All right. So you have to focus on the unknown if you want to be successful, not on the known. What is happening now? What is in your life? Okay. Okay. To succeed, we need to direct our energy to the uncertain. All right. What you desire, that's what it is. All right. You got to focus your energy on your desire, which is the unknown. Okay, now I want to talk about Newtonian physics and quantum physics. I'm sure most of you or some of you already know about what is quantum physics and what is Newtonian physics. All right. Now, Newtonian physics is the old type of thinking, the old type of science. All right. Quantum physics is something quite new. Okay. Now, when you talk about particles and wave, okay, Newtonian physics is all about particles, whereas quantum physics is about wave. Okay, waves. It's about frequency, about waves. Okay. Now, I want to give you two examples here. Number one, about healing. Okay, healing. Let's say a person has got cancer. Okay, suffer from cancer. Now, according to Newtonian physics, what happens when you go to the doctor? They will cut, burn, or poison. Isn't it true? These are the three things. They will either cut, burn, or poison. That is according to Newtonian physics. That's what is normal, right? But according to quantum physics, when you have a cancer, okay, on a part of your body, let's say, all right, a part of your body, then what it means is that the energy at that area is not balanced. Okay, there's something wrong with the energy there. So what you need to do to heal is, okay, to balance the energy up in that area. When you balance the energy, then it flows properly, then you will be healed. Okay, so when we talk about healing, it is actually, using quantum physics and using quantum physics to heal you by doing meditation and so on. This is very important. Okay, now let's talk about manifesting. Okay, when you talk about manifesting, most of the time using Newtonian physics, it is matter to matter, which is very slow. All right. Now, a good example is, okay, if you want to manifest something, okay, let me give you a simple example. Let's say you want to go from point A to point B, let's say, okay, point A to point B, okay. In order to get to point A, which is your goal, of course, point B, okay, and when you got to point B, then you got to travel through time. It takes time. Isn't it true or not? Okay, we are confined by time. How much time you need to take to achieve your goal, that is under Newtonian physics. All right, and you can calculate how much time it takes and so on. Okay, and basically it's going to be very slow. But using quantum physics, it is all waves. Waves. All right, that means you go into the quantum field, okay, and you attract the things into your life. Then it is much faster. Okay, because in the quantum field there are multiple possibilities out inside there. All right, there are countless possibilities there. All right, let's say you want to be a multi-millionaire. Let's say, okay, in quantum physics, when you go into the quantum world, all right, there are many possibilities, and one of the possibilities is that you are already a multi-millionaire there. So what you need to do is get into the frequency that is going to attract that condition into your life. So it can happen very fast, rather than when you talk about matter to matter, it takes time, to manifest the thing. Okay, so I know this is something that is quite strange to some people, but I hope that I managed to explain it to you to understand it more. All right, if you want to know more, maybe you can message me. I can uh, introduce you to things to read and so on. Okay, so that's all my sharing for today. If you like what you hear and see, please feel free to like, to share, and to comment. Let me share with you, summarize with you. The topic is energy flows where attention goes. Okay, now the most important fact is that energy, everything in this universe is energy. Okay, and energy vibrating at different rate of vibration. Energy can never be created nor destroyed. It is just as it is. That's all. Okay, so when you burn a $20 note, okay, it is still there because it's energy. It cannot be destroyed. Okay, only thing it has when you burn it, it has gone into a different frequency and you can see it. Okay, now I spoke about what do you call the science of getting rich. Whereas Wallace Wattles say, everything on Earth is made from one original substance. Okay, so it is created from this. Well, that was 1910, but today we know that it is energy. Okay, so the question you got to ask yourself is, where do you focus your energy every day? That is important because what you focus on, that is where you place your energy. Okay, most of the time we focus on things that we know, that's for sure. Okay, we focus on our work, our workers, and so on, our business, our toys, and so on. So that is where we focus our energy. When you focus your energy there, okay, your attention there, then the energy is placed there, and you don't have much energy for other things to manifest and to create. So that's why it's important to remind yourself, if you want to be successful, focus your attention on the uncertainties, things that you are looking for, your dream, your goal, and so on. Okay, to succeed, you need to direct your energy to the uncertain. That is your dream, your desire, and so on. Okay, when we talk about Newtonian physics and quantum physics, okay, these two are totally different. Okay, two different way of thinking. Newtonian physics is actually the old classical physics. All right, now we are talking about Newtonian physics. Talking about Newtonian physics, actually, today even the computers are smaller and faster because of all the science of quantum physics. Okay, so I think that's all I want to share today. I hope that you like what you hear and see. Please feel free to like, to share, and to comment. Okay. Now I will see you again for another sharing on my live video on Friday. Okay. So this is Richard Quack here, wishing you good night